the set representing the correct order of ionic radius is. So, while finding out the ionic radius, what I told you was, while doing such questions related to the periodic properties across the period and down the group, right? Across the period, what happens? The radius decreases. Down the group, what happens? The radius increases. Right? Now, what are the elements? Li, group 1, Be, group 2, sodium, again group 1, second period, third period, I'll write it below lithium, so that is not going to confuse you. And then is Mg. So before looking at the options, these greater than, and these so many ions, students, you know, it actually horrifies me when I see so many ions and these greater than signs. So it's better to work out of your own. Just pick out the metals from elements from there and work out. Now Li and Mg have diagonal relationship over here. So which will have the largest radius? Your sodium ion will have the more radius than Li. Li will have more radius than magnesium, and this will have more radius than beryllium. So I've got my answer. See, sodium ion more radius than Li plus, more radius than Mg, because there is a diagonal relationship also. Their radius will be close, but lithium will be slightly more. See, this is 2 plus ion moreover, and this is more than Be2 plus, right? Always when on the cation this charge increases, the radius decreases. So this is your answer. So you too do this thing. Don't look at these options, because these are going to horrify you. So many ions arranged, jumbled up, and lots of greater than signs. It's better you pick up from there, arrange them. It will take hardly a minute, but you will be marking the correct answer. Okay? So had these options been not given and only ions were given, it would have been better. But here lots of greater than signs and lots of ions, it becomes difficult. So you better pick out without seeing the order, without seeing the arrangement, pick out the ions, arrange them in your groups and periods, and take out your own order and mark the correct one.